Welcome back guys, Oppo Find X7 Ultra. This flagship device has features that'll leave you in awe. Let's kick the specs off the phone. First, come up with the design and build quality. The Find X7 Ultra boasts a stunning back with a gradient finish. If you've seen the Find X6 Pro, this new Ultra here will look familiar. Its beautiful two-tone rear evokes leather and metal impressions. The black version even has pretend stitching along the center line and beneath the camera. The dual-tone back is Oppo's way of adding personality to a rear panel. The camera module is neatly integrated with a futuristic look. The curved edges and slim profile make it comfortable to hold, even with a big display. Speaking of the display, the Find X7 Ultra packs a proper high-end display, 6.82-inch LTPO OLED panel protected by Gorilla Glass Vectors 2, 1440 by 3168 pixels resolution refresh at up to 120 Hz, but it can also dial down to 1 Hz. 2160 Hz. PWM is used for dimming below 70 nits to minimize flicker, while on the opposite end of the brightness range, 4500 nits also supports HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. It's sharp, vibrant, and supports a buttery smooth. Whether you're watching your favorite series or gaming, this display won't disappoint. Oh, and did I mention the 16-megapixel selfie camera perfect for vlogging and video calls? Don't miss the hidden fingerprint sensor under the display, fast and secure. Coming up with the main department, camera department, and just like the Find X6 Pro, the Find X7 Ultra is all about the Hasselblad partner. The Find X7 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup. Oppo has also updated the sensor on the main 50-megapixel camera, now using the LYT900 1-inch sensor, a tweaked version of the IMX989 on the previous model. Also, the new 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor used for the ultra-wide camera Oppo has gone with a smaller sensor, 1195 versus the 1156 on the X6 Pro, though the new lens does have wider coverage and a brighter aperture. 50-megapixel periscope zoom 1.56 Sony IMX890 sensor and the 50-megapixel 1251 Sony IMX858 at the end of the 6x periscope zoom lens, and the Find X7 Ultra becomes the ultimate versatile shooting machine. You can see the camera details here. The phone is capable of capturing 4K 60 FPS video on all 4 cameras. Color consistency is on point between all 4 cameras. It's quite impressive and comes close to an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Also with the new Hasselblad Master Mode for advanced manual controls over ISO, shutter speed, EV, focus and white balance, as well as saturation, contrast, sharpness and even vignette control, tuned to the experience with the iconic Hasselblad X2D 100C camera results. Under the hood, the Find X7 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Oppo also has a dedicated security chip for handling security-related data. ColorOS 12 runs the show, offering a clean and customizable interface. The large 5000 mAh battery unit can be charged completely in less than 30 minutes with the 100 watts brick. And Oppo also offers record-fast 50 watts wireless charging juices up your phone in no time. Expect a full day of heavy usage without breaking a sweat. This flagship comes in 3 coordinated two-tone color schemes: ocean blue, sepia brown, and tailored black. This device is mainly available in China and neighboring markets. The Find X7 Ultra is priced at yuan renminbi 5999 for the base variant 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. If you are thinking of importing one into the country, do keep in mind that such products are heavily taxed by customs. So, is the Oppo Find X7 Ultra worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a powerhouse with a camera setup that'll make your Instagram game strong, if you're ready to take your smartphone experience to the next level. That's all for now. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech goodness. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or want to see specific features in action, drop them in the comments below. Catch you in the next video.